Guys, we got a gem in here. Look at this beautiful classic. Look, I love the hood. 1939 Chevy Master 85, or they call it the business coupe because it's two-door. Look at this thing. It is absolutely magnificent. I like it. I know you don't like the magnificent. He's laughing at me. Magnificent. Is that better? Beautiful. Is that better? Jeez, guys. They're always picking on me, guys, for all these new words I choose. Anyways, what we done on it, got factory downpipes here and there. Then we ran 2.25 inch pipe all the way back, true dual, into two cherry bomb extremes that he had right there, right there. Then 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side over the rear end, you guys can see. And then we reused his tips. He liked those tips. They're different. They're from that era, as you guys can see. There and right there to finish it off. Came out really nice, really clean. 39 Chevy Coupe business class with a 350. And that's all the old piping that was on it, probably from the 50s. We took it all off. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you
Look at that, guys. Wow. Woo. She's a beauty. Very beautiful.
Still got a back seat. Nobody uses, but it's nice. I love the lines on it. Look at the lines on it. They're so cool. And the hood ornament. They need to go back to hood ornaments, man. I think they're cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. She ready for action. Sound decibels? You're at a 93.1. Let it idle. They're not sounding clean now. What do you guys think? He's got another one. Should I buy it and build it? Make it into a mad gangster one? Lower than... Oh, it sounds so good. Oh, it sounds so good. It's a cool looking car. I like it. It's a cool classic, man. 1939. Yeah.